Are you coming out or are you staying there?
Where are we going?
Well, Mum and Dad are going to have coffee and breakfast. I think we're going to go feed a pelican.
No.
Not now, after breakfast.
Uh,
Oh, check out the hairdo.
I hear it.
Hey?
I do hear it.
Hear what?
I heard birdies and pelicans too.
Do ya?
I do.
Oh yeah, do you like it?
Yes. Yay! You're coming to feed them too.
Oh, is she?
Yay!
Oh dear.
Hush, under the bed.
She hit the camera.
Ow! You okay? Where are the pelicans? Oh, there you are. Come on, let me get some grass for them. I got grass. I got grass for that. I want to take a photo of it. He's going to eat my finger. Come on, eat. Hey, excuse you. Excuse you. Excuse you.
So we've just been feeding the pelicans down at the foreshore, and because it was my birthday yesterday, the lady gave me a bunch of beautiful wildflowers. How nice. What are you doing, Brock?
Putting the tyres down, bro.
That mean we're going for a little adventure?
A little bit of adventure, you know. See if we can find a beach. It's a lot less windy here than it was in Kalbarri, that's for sure. Imagine going to the beach today, that'd be shocking. Not the lucky bay that we went to in Esperance, no, it's a different one. We're going to go and have a look. Apparently the road's pretty wet. But I got told by a local that there's plenty of ways to get around it, so we're going to have a look. See what we can find. Because I've got a kid these days. Back in the old days, I would have just sent it around the corner. Go see what's around there before I do it. Reg's least favourite part. A bit of a step up, left, right, down, and then there's a perfect little beach there. Cold. The rock here is pretty helpful. I think we should have chosen yesterday for our beach day. Today's horrible. I think it's going to be cold. Well, I'll see if it's cold. The waivers. Oh, it's freezing. It's freezing.
Why?
Oh, it's like that pool yesterday. You want to try it? Up. Yeah, run to mum. It's pretty fresh. Lucky bay. I won't show you putting sunscreen on because she's nerdy Rudy, as she always does. We've got the whole beach to ourselves. It is bloody windy, so I think we're just gonna just watch what she does. Here. Here. Whether she plays in the sand, whatever. Runs into the water, we'll chase her. And we'll go for a forward dive up the beach, get a couple of drone shots and head back to town and hit all the bluff, what's it called? Island Rock, what's the other one? Pothole? All that on the way back. Emily's not coming into the shop because she's currently trying to get changed and I just started recording.
Hey, let me try.
You are driving?
No, get your hand up.
Okay.
Hey, stop!
Well, I'm just someone else from caching. You driving? You driving? Look where you're going. I gotta stop putting the elf caps in my mouth, eh?
What?
I don't know how many times stop me tires. Fun fact about a D-Max, the indicators flash when the reaches the right tyre pressure. Stop down, oh, there you go.
How'd you go?
Look, Sean's compressor that we stole for Valentine's Day trip still works from when we had the Colorado. I don't know if I just thinking then, like, had I ordered the D-Max when we went to Valentine's during Bay, or had I not told you that I bought it yet?
Not sure.
I can't remember because I got it in February. So anyway, that's a King's compressor that we stole off a friend. He sold his four-wheel drive and never wanted it back. So thanks, Sean. See if the caravan park does enough for this, but surely not, right?
Alright, so I thought this afternoon I would try and make some scones in the weather. So I only need 3 ingredients. You need 1 cup self-raising flour, about a tablespoon of some butter, and half cup of milk. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so step 1, you need to make sure you've got the Weber preheated. Step 2, you're just going to sift the 1 cup of self-raising flour into a large bowl. Next step, you want to add your butter in. Now, you do need to use your fingertips, so I'm just going to use my fingertips to break up the butter. Alright, now we're going to gradually add some milk. So, half cup of milk. So you just want to put a little bit in at a time. Use a butter knife. Mix this around until it forms a dough. Not too sticky. So we're just going to knead this just a little bit. Now I actually don't have a rolling pin, so I'm just going to do the old-fashioned way, I guess, and use my hands. Just going to add a little bit of milk on top. Actually, I haven't got a brush, so I'm just going to carefully use my fingertips to do that. Alright. It's a little bit smoky. Okay, so just going to have a quick check to see how they're going. Oh yeah, not too bad. That one obviously was the leftover sort of the mixture, but yeah, pretty happy with that. Looking pretty good. Alright, time to serve them up. So, traditional scones, strawberry jam and cream. And that's my scones.